Well, here we have the sights and sounds of a Haitian concrete pour. It's about 10 after 8, and we have 2 pumps going, and we have a mixed design of 1 bucket of cement to 2 buckets of sand, 2.5 buckets of gravel, mixed in the mixture, dumped in the ground around a support, and then with the small buckets, a couple of gentlemen are passing it up the ladder. Concrete then comes up the ladder, hand over hand, and then we're actually, since we got 2 groups, we've got 1 group taking, here's the man right now, taking over to a beam. We're starting the beams, and he's laying in beams, starting at the far side here. And there's the supervisor, Mr. Giles, standing there supervising. And then buckets are dumped, he comes back. The other group, which you can see in the distance, or maybe not see, depending on all the bodies, are pouring the other beam. And there's a vibrator in there somewhere, at least I can hear it. There's the vibrator. And he's vibrating the beams behind the folks that are pouring the concrete. This is what we refer to as a Haitian concrete pump. And here we go. We're 10 after 8, and things are going along smartly. After about 50 guys that showed up extra were asked politely to leave, and naturally they did after a lot of shouting and discussion about their ancestry and their family's ancestry. There we go. This is the start of the roof pour. It will be a 62 cubic meter pour. We'll use, let's see, 60 cubic meters of sand, 59 cubic meters of gravel, and this is an 8-sack mix, so it's about 480 sacks of cement. The pans are in place, they've all been oiled, they're all in line, and since it's a roof pour, we have glass block. See 2 pieces of glass block there, securely, we hope, tied to the slab, and the glass block will end up being additional light, and it's also, the glass block is at the height of the concrete across the pans, which is 3 inches. The depth of the concrete on the slab is 6 inches, depth in the beam is 24 inches. There they are, dumping in that beam on the far side. And we'll see more later as the beams get poured. We've done a slump test on the first 2, and slump test shows okay, but it could be a little bit drier. It's about a 3-inch slump is what we've got right now. And there's the bottle, there's the containers of water that were filled yesterday from the well, so that it's good water. Cement is coming from inside that area there where they're bringing the bags of cement over. 1 bag of cement is basically 1 bucket. And then there's the sand, so that's the gravel pile, and the sand pile's next to it. And we'll continue later as we pan out. Might as well see a pan of the entire Repatriate complex. We still have a little bit of filling to do in the far side. This is the back wall. We're looking to the east. The wall is complete. A little bit of railing on the top of the wall to complete. And as we look beyond the workers, there is the church area. And then we can see actually the beautiful bay here in Prince.